Today we are playing Risk of Rain 2. We're going to be trying to beat the game once again. Last time it didn't end off so well, so we'll see how this goes. Immediately off the bat I see money, so I'm gonna go get that. Oh, that's nice.
Oh, fuck!
Perfect. I have a feeling that the thing might be somewhere on the ground. So I'll check up here first before I go down there. Get sniped.
What are you aiming at? What are you aiming at?
There we go. Much better. Anything up here?
Nope.
Alright. Garbage. There's a portal. I got next to no items this round.
Nah.
Alright, let's start the boss fight. Who are we getting? And we're dead. And we are not dead. Get away from me. Move out of my way, drone. Jeez. Okay.
Mining away. I don't know.
Okay. I think he just gave up. Hello? Are you okay? Teddy bear just saved my life right there. Alright. Ooh, bunch of Oh, that was not a good idea. Oh, that was not a good idea at all. I thought that was gonna kill me, honestly. I forgot I picked up the yellow item. Oh no! What?
You stupid.
Help? Well, that was interesting.
Soda!
Sweet. Another one.
Another one.
We take those. Oh, here's the boss fight. Well, this is interesting. I've never had it up here. Oh. Okay. Whee. Oh, that was dumb. Yes. Yes, teddy bear. Yes. Oh.
Lonely.
There's just a lone sentry back there. Actually, I might get that. I don't know. I think I like the crit better. Right, I think that's everything. Time for the boss fight. Time for the boss fight if I can get there. Alright. Hello, baby.
Yeah!
Wow, that was easy. Latest suckers. Don't want this? Too bad. I think we might have the Beetle Queen for this boss fight. That is my guess. I could be wrong. I could be absolutely wrong. Can we see the portal anywhere? Oh, it's over there. There's a lot of purple chests. I don't even know why I'm getting those. I guess it's just to see what they get, and if I find an equipment drone, I'll just give it to them. Teddy bear. sneaky, I see. No, sir. Hello. Oh, there's 3 of them. Sit down, son. Oh, there's another one. Alright. Gonna be kicking ass with the war banner today. Oh, this boss is not gonna enjoy his day today. Or her day. He might defeat me, so we never know. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yes, that was very smart of me. Alright, I think we're ready for the boss fight. We got lucky with that soldier syringe.
I'm coming for you!
Oh hell.
Ya-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ya. Ya-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ya-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. Oh, no!
It's like fighting the heavy on Team Fortress, you just gotta stay close. Oh no, not these guys. No! That is like the 3rd time I've done that. What are they doing? What are they doing on top of each other? No! Okay. That was interesting. Sayonara, suckers. I can't believe how many times I've almost fallen off. Ah, not this place. What the... I just spawned in and one of my gun turrets already died.
Oh, fuck!
What?
You stupid.
Okay. I got a new character. I think. Well, that's gonna do it for this video. Well, thank you guys for coming in to watch me attempt to beat the game. It didn't go as planned. Well, stay tuned for some more Risk of Rain.